Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make butter roti using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of whole wheat flour, some water, and a small amount of salt. Don't forget the unsalted butter, which we will use at the very end to give our rotis that delicious, rich flavor. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare our dough. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of whole wheat flour with 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Slowly add about 3/4 cup of water, mixing until a soft dough forms. Knead this dough for 5 to 7 minutes. It should become smooth and pliable. Then, cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for at least 20 minutes. This resting period is crucial for soft rotis. Next, we will roll and cook our rotis. Divide your rested dough into 8 to 10 equal portions. Take each portion and roll it into a thin, round disc, approximately 6 inches in diameter. Heat a griddle over medium-high heat. Place a rolled roti on the hot griddle and cook for about 30 to 45 seconds on each side. You will see small bubbles appear, indicating it's time to flip. Finally, let's add that wonderful butter. As soon as each roti comes off the griddle, immediately brush about 1/2 teaspoon of unsalted butter onto its surface. The heat of the roti will quickly melt the butter, infusing it with a delightful richness. Serve these warm, buttery rotis right away with your favorite curry or side dish. Enjoy the simple pleasure of your homemade, delicious butter roti.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.